Hey guys, just wanted to share with you my experience with this whipped beef tallow balm for skin. So this is actually made by Chiro Life, and I really like this because number one is this is 100% organic and it is unscented and it is made in the USA. So I have this thing for a week now. I actually have a dry skin under my lips, and I can say that the dry skin under my lips have actually improved a lot. Let me go show you how this thing looks like inside. So I like that this is whipped because it's very easy to use. You just have to grab a little like this, and basically what I do is I just dab this into my face or into my skin, and then I just spread it out like this. And you can see right now the skin actually absorbs it really well, and you don't see any more oil residue after it is applied. So that is a very good plus on this. I really like that this is made of 100% grass-fed beef tallow, beeswax, and honey. So let me show you my skin. So if you can see right now, the skin under my lips is actually a lot better now. It's not really dry. A week ago, this is actually dark and kind of like cracking. And you can see right now, there's only like a little left. And that's only after a week of using this. I also have problems right here. And you can see right now, it actually heals, right? You don't really notice any more dry spots right here. So if you're looking for a beef tallow product, I highly recommend this with beef tallow from Life.